This in the charts here in a second. We're up at a very pivotal part here, and looks like we're going to be pushing a little bit higher here. So we're going to take a look at this here in a second. Let's take a look at a couple other things here real quick. The crypto bubbles. Let's see what's going on today out there. A little bit of a pullback. No big deal. I think Bitcoin's down about 800 bucks, I believe. Last hour. Getting a few things popping here. I just put a trade out on Discord for the members there on 1,000 rats. Looks like that thing's got to be making a pretty decent move here. So if you're a member, if you got that, congratulations. That thing looks like it should be making a pretty decent move. Digibyte, and I put this trade out in Discord the other day. Look at this. Look how fulfilled that 4.236 here. Look at that right there. That's amazing how this trend-based fib works. You know, if you don't know how to use it, sign up for level 3 membership. It's 15 bucks. We teach you all this stuff over there, over 9 hours of videos, and a link to the Discord to come start trading with us. All right, we've been getting some really good trades. I'm going to put a video out for the members here in a few days on trading smaller time frames. I love trading smaller time frames, and I'm going to show you. Get excited for it because it's going to be a really good video. It's going to cover the smaller time frames that I like to trade, and I think it'll get you pretty excited. So I'm going to get that out here in a couple days. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. See what's going on with that real quick. Yeah, 800 and 900 bucks here. It's down 1.4%. Come out in a daily. Let's see what's going on with this thing. All right, there we go. Yeah, nothing major, just kind of going sideways in here, quite honestly. Kind of 12-hour. Yeah, nothing major here. I mean, without, as long as it holds this low right down here, right there, I think we're fine. Could mess around in here for a little bit. You got a resistance line coming out here, right down through here. All right, so any break of that, and this thing should be heading back to the upside. Got the 12-hour RSI about the top. Look how low it is down here in the bottom, though. It's super, super low down there. The 8-hour rolling over low. It's down past the half, the 50% in here. The 4-hour getting down there and getting reset. It's heading down. Look, we're when you oversold there. The daily. Let's look at the daily. Look at that. Super, super low. So expect Bitcoin to make a move here pretty soon. That daily RSI that low. The 3-day getting down there, just about reset. 5-day oversold. Just about there. And that weekly. Weekly just about reset too. So looking for that move out of Bitcoin here. And hopefully a lot higher prices. That's what we're hoping for this bull run. We'll see what happens. But anyway, let's head over to Kaspa here because there's some stuff we definitely need to cover here. All right, out on a weekly here. That's what we're on right now. Now we had that. Remember we put this line here the other day. Bearish divergence down in here. Okay, we had that. We had a slightly higher high here, right here, and a lower high on the price or on the RSI there. Okay, now it came up through there. Look at how this line ended up working out. Busted up through that divergence. All right, now it's taken out this high over here, and I suspect it's going to take out this high over here, quite honestly. If we put a Fibonacci on this, and this is on the weekly, all right, we put a fib on here. I mean, we are right up getting through the 786 now. Okay, of course that target up here at 24.6. That's your 1618. That's what we're looking for as far as a push up here. Now, if we zoom in a little bit closer here, we got another story to be told, you know, in the smaller time frames here. Okay, you can clearly see right there a corrective structure A, B, C. All right, and you're starting another 5 waves up in here. You can see that plain as day. 1, 2, 3, might be a 4th wave pullback here. The daily's rolling back down here, right up at the very top. 12-hour, same story, right at the very top here. All right, that 8-hour coming down. Now, if we take a look at this, we got our wave 1, 2 right down here. 1, 2. Okay, this 3. Now this 4. Don't be shocked if, you know, pulls down towards that 16-cent area. All right, that's the high of wave 1. It does that quite often. All right, don't be shocked about that. I'm going to leave this on here. In fact, 4. All right, then a 5th wave extension. If we pull down that deep, let's see if anything lines up here. All right, that would take us right to 20 cents on the dot here. That's where that would end up taking us if it pulled down that deep. And this, okay, now hold on here a second, because I know that you have your 5 wave in here, okay. Now if we come out here on this daily, all right, that would be your 5 waves in there. That would get us a new all-time high, obviously. All right, then this thing could end up, you know, consolidating in here for a few days, whatever, ABC, and getting a corrective structure in here, and then our push up towards that what was it, 24.6. Down here, or 20. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm on the daily here. Oops, let's get that off there. Yeah, this one push in here, yeah, 20 to 23 cents, right around in that range. Okay, but out on that weekly is where we have the bigger target here that we're looking for, and pretty positive, you know, we're gonna end up hitting that area. That's the 24.5 cent range, that 24.5. Okay, now let's get that off there. Let's zoom in here a little bit. All right, so don't be shocked. Like I said, looks like a possible, now I'm gonna leave this on here. Looks like a possible pullback here. Put a fib on this. Look at that, right to a 618. Isn't that crazy? Absolutely insane. I did not do this before the video. Look at that, 618 pullback, boom, see you later, right up through. Now if we come over to the FYI real quick, and if you could hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that very much, guys. Look at the petahash, 344. Wow, that thing is flying. Look at the whale addresses and the rest of the wallets over here. See if we have any major changes. Hang in there, please, just a second here. Let me take a second to load up. Let's see if we got anything major going on in here, telling any story. I would imagine, you know, you got a lot of buyers that have come back, or back in, you know, not come back, but are back in here. Oh yeah, look at the sharks, last 24 hours you got 4. Dolphins last 24 hours 31. That's 100,000 to a million. You know, whales in the last, you got -2 whales in the last 24 hours. That kind of, you know, unless they're going to buy the dip, unless they're going to wait for this wave 4 to pull back, buy it, and then ride it up, you know, that's possible. That's a lot of money to a whale, you know, just buying this one, you know, this one pullback here, back to the 618, you know, that's a major price movement for somebody holding that many tokens. But we'll see. Last 7 days, you know, look at this, nice. You got buyers coming back in here. See price moving, that's what happens. They come back in, and there's even 1, 2, 3, 4. Even got a smaller story inside here. Like I said, I'm going to put that video out this week. You know, you got a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this wave 3. This should be an ABC, and then you'll have 5 waves up here. All right, so just hanging. It looks like maybe, like I said, a little bit of a pullback here. Look down to the 618. That would be roughly, you know, it's decent pullback, 16%. You know, and then this big bounce back up out of here. So hang in there. Could be a few days of downturn here. You know, it might not even come that deep. It might come to a 50 percentile and bounce from there. We'll see. But that's what it's looking like to me. All right, thank you so much, guys. I love you. Thank you for watching the channel. It means the world to me. You guys are the best, and I'll talk to you soon.